Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are going to be talking about Roblox removing stuff because yes, one of the strangest things that Roblox like to do is delete perfectly working features off of the website. Now there may be a few reasons why they do this, but we'll get onto that in a second. If you guys can't think of any features that Roblox removed, let me give you a few examples. We had stuff like the status update, Roblox removed that completely, and that one was kind of strange because they didn't remove it properly. Sometimes people go on their homepage and it comes up with like a little status error in red. Yeah, Roblox were never able to fix that. Other things that got removed were like the Roblox feed. To be fair, that one was kind of pointless though. One of the more annoying things that Roblox removed was the ability to delete UGC accessories. Now apparently you can get that back. I might have to investigate that for another video though. I guess two of the main things that Roblox deleted that people got a bit upset over was of course ticks and the unlimited friends limit. Now apart from ticks, apparently Roblox did most of these updates to stop the website from breaking. Yeah, you guys might have heard this before, either from me or maybe another Roblox YouTuber. Basically, when the Roblox website was first made, it wasn't really coded that well. To be fair, it was mostly Shadletsky's work, and credit to him, you know, he did pretty much build the website from the ground up. But because there were a few errors back then, also if you think about it, the Roblox website is seriously old now. The platform's literally 17 years old, maybe a bit older. Some of the code on the Roblox website has literally been lurking around for that long. And of course, simply because it's that old, problems are gonna occur. When Roblox update things or change things, other things can break. As we know in Halloween a few years ago in 2021, the website shut down simply because the website's code was so old. And there was a few major issues that just couldn't be fixed right away. Well, onto today's video anyway. It turns out Roblox have removed something else, and apparently they removed it because something broke. Now, I don't know how true that is, but it's looking likely, so let me show you what feature they've deleted now. Shout out to Blocks News for reporting on this. They said Roblox recently removed the ability to highlight accessories on the collections tab of your profile. Previously, you could click on the add to profile button on an item details page to have it displayed on your profile, and you can see here this was Blocks News' collections. It looks like these guys didn't actually add anything because yeah, it kind of worked like all of your recent items would automatically display on your collections if you didn't update it yourself. So it looks like a few event items here, probably one of their UGC items. That's why their collections tab is looking a bit bland, to be honest. If I show you my one quickly, I did customize mine on all of my accounts. So you can see here on my collections, I've got the items that mean stuff to me, you know? I've got my free event item from Blueberry, not a UGC limited. It was a standard event item that was free. I really enjoyed making that. Then I've got the Graveyard Edge, obviously, from my gift box. I've got the achievement medal. I got this for doing a, what was it? Like a shirt competition or something. I remember that a few years ago. That was pretty cool. I've got my beanie from my clothing brands. Of course, I've got my Trash Club mask, the item that made me all that Robux. And I've got the work clock headphones because that should go limited. I don't know what Roblox is doing with that. So yeah, that's my collections. And if I wanted to remove stuff or add new things, it was always pretty simple, you know? I'd find an item or a UGC that I like the look of. I'd go up here, I'd click on the three dots, and I'd click on add to profile. But as you guys can see, it's now completely gone. Roblox removed it. They broke collections. So the thing is, guys, I don't know if Roblox is going to fix this. I don't know if they can. I would assume some code on the website messed up and they just didn't get around to trying to fix it again. But the interesting thing is, guys, if you go into the Roblox API, you can still get this working. So shout out to Mini Sandbox. This guy figured out if you go into the Roblox API, so it's the inventory.roblox.com/docs index one, if you find the collections like, you know, in your inventory, you can still get it working. You can still add new UGC items or whatever you want pretty much. So if you guys would like to get this working, what you'd do is go and find the ID of an item. So if I'm using the Halloween ghost face mask, basically I'd just go and copy and paste this ID here on the inventory API. Now you have to be a bit careful here if anybody tries to get you to like trade items with them using the API or that sort of thing. Do not trust it. You've really got to be careful, you know? Only ever go to the API if you know like a genuine YouTuber's doing a video on it or something like that. You know, don't trust random people. Anyway, we can find collections down here. Obviously nothing we do on collections would mess up our account. So if you click on try it out, what you'd do is leave that on 0. You'd put the ID of an item or an asset or bundle. You could do Headless Horseman if you want to. And if you went on execute, it would add it to your profile. I'll tell you what, let me try this with my cursed graffiti trendy hat. Oh yeah, by the way, if you guys are wondering, the Sharkblocks plush is wearing this hat. It's one of my favorite items. This is 250 now. Wow, that's pretty good. Maybe I'll have to buy some and give some away. But yeah, let's try it with this because I kind of want this on my profile. So again, I'm going to go and copy the ID ID. Then if I do Control V to paste it in, I'm pretty sure I leave that on a 0. I think that's for assets. Then if I go on execute, if I want it taken off my profile, I think I clear it. But in theory, that should have worked. Oh no, never mind. It's not the clear thing. I suddenly just realized they literally have delete and post. Wow, that makes sense. How did I miss that? Anyway, yeah, you just do try it out. So obviously, if I wanted to remove the hat, I'd copy this ID, I'd put it in there, then, you know, remove it. And yeah, that's basically how it works. Very, very simple. It's weird Roblox removed it, but you can still do it on the API. So before it was the work clock headphones, which I didn't make, so I don't really care about it. So if we scroll down now, yeah, you can see it's the graffiti hat. So there you go. That's how you fix it. And honestly, it's so strange that this stuff like still works in the back end in the API, but just like on the actual website, it's so broken. I guess that confirms how much of a mess the Roblox website actually is. I honestly think, guys, they just need to take the whole website offline, even if it's like 5 days or something, and they just need to fix it and sort out everything. Honestly, I think that would stop Roblox from going down so much in the first place.